So hello friends. Hello. So it's like I will be having another nice update about these online courses. So this artificial intelligence and Internet of Things and data science, all these topics are growing very nicely in these years. So it is one of the nice opportunity for those who wanted to have some basic idea or the study about these courses from their own comfort zone. Like you can study from your own place through online portal like Coursera and edX. So this NPTEL is an initiative of IITs and IISc from India. That is, you might be known if you are from outside of India. You please note that these are the top institutes in India for engineering and technology science especially. So IISc is one of the good research institute from India. You can see this times of higher education rankings also. So now we are going to have this brief idea or the introduction of details about this. The two courses which are coming into online very soon from January. So it will be uploaded online. It will be available further also every frequent semesters. Hopefully, so for now, you can consider learning if you are relevant to this research or if you wanted to explore some knowledge in these areas. Uh, so these are the details. So this is and this NPTEL curriculum is mapped to AICT model from for Indians. It is like it is like a national engineering institutes in charge. I mean the supervision body. IICT, and also this is nicely recognized from all the disciplines across the country and even these days abroad. So the NPTEL means National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. So this is a joint initiative. You can see this. So this Himalaya is a food court. I mean the West facility for IIT Madras students. So it is kind of a big building in the hostel zone. So let's go into detail. So going into detail, two free online courses, artificial intelligence, knowledge representation and reasoning, and artificial introduction to artificial intelligence. So you can see these two courses by professor from IIT Madras and IIT Delhi. These are the details. So I'm not going into much details because I'm not completely relevant to this field, but these are booming field across all the divisions. This knowledge will be really helpful for all the people who are into this domain or the relevant domains. So I wanted to share it. So let's move on some more details. So how good or how reputable it is. I mean, you can see this. So this is kind of maintained by all the IITs and the IISc. These are the kind of a brief idea, and this NPTEL courses it covers across 41 domains, and you can be expert in your domain, whichever you like to. So these are the details of these particular deadlines, the starting enrollment and the registration and the exam dates. You can note down if you are interested in this thing. These are the links, and the same links will be shared in the description so that you can use them for opening directly. So further, you can see these are the certificate like sorry, this certificate will be looks like this, and which will include online assignments and proctored exam. So you can see that how many people registered and what is your consolidated score and the signatures. So this is the digital certificate which will be shared to you at the end of the course. So all the best. Wish you good luck. Thank you. Please follow and subscribe for more interesting updates across national, international science and innovation and updates, technology. Thank you.